In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on location services on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find the Privacy and the Security. And that's where, at the very top, we can easily find Location Services. Now it says Off. To turn on Location Services on your device, tap at that button. It will turn on Location Services for the most of apps. However, you can configure if you allow or not Location Services for any particular app. Let's say here we got Facebook. If we get into it, we'll be able to not allow Facebook app to use location services. We can select Ask Next Time or When I Share, or we can select While using the app. The same about any application. We can in the same way configure Instagram. Some applications has that extra option which says always. So instead of selecting while using the app, we can in some applications select always. That's how you can easily turn on location services on an iPhone. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.